Okay guys, you know what time it is when you see this. My bowl is ready, my spoon is there. You can see all my measurement. My butter, my brandy, my port wine, all the spice and stuff that I'm going to need for my cake, because I'm just about to do my Christmas cake. So just getting ready to start. My mixer is here to mix, and we're going to get into it. And tonight, I hope you enjoy. Quite a while now. And I have my lime juice here, margarine, my sugar, my flour. So just getting ready guys, just getting ready to start my baking. So welcome one more time to Homemade Eat with Avon. Today I'm going to do my Christmas cake. I'm just getting prepared to do my Christmas cake. I hope you enjoy this one with me, and yeah, let's get into it and see how it work out. My first time doing it, so I'm a bit excited and ready to go. Okay guys, so as I said, we're ready to start my bake. I'm gonna add my sugar. So this is, I'm gonna do 3 cups of sugar. So I have the measurement already. I'll put my sugar in. Yep. So here we go. So this would make it 3 cups. Alright, sugar. And I'm gonna put 10 ounces of unsalted butter. Blend this in together to become fluffy. Okay, so guys, we're going on good. Just getting everything mixing. So right now I've got the sugar and the butter. I'm working on right here. Okay, so guys, so right now what I'm doing is adding my vanilla to my egg. I have 12 eggs in here beat together already, and then whisk. I'm gonna add my half teaspoon salt, my lime zest in here. Alright, so I'm going ahead, I'm gonna add my brown. Going in, I'm gonna add all of this together. Okay. Nutmeg, cinnamon. Still add more to it later on. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my blended mix. Just gonna do it like 4 cups. I'm gonna add 1 cup first, then the second cup in. My flour. continue to mix. Man, you can smell it's nice, 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 nice. One again. Put some more browning in it. This just get it out in it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put them in.
It's hot.
It is hot. So the first one in. See there? Looking nice. So on the top one.
One, two, three.
Alright, so they're all in, and now leave that to bake. So guys, I got this finishing touch